With many water bodies under threat, ADoBE 2025 aims to create awareness. ADoBE '25, Reimagining the Waterfront. It is a national charrette and workshop which brings together students and professionals to reimagine the lakefronts in Hyderabad and brings dialogues into action.
The lakefronts in India are defined by various intertwined factors like the ecology, the people who use them, the economies that it supports, the factors that define and govern them, and the stories they generate. Based on these aspects, we have come up with 5 themes that will anchor the ADoBE '25. These themes are cultural expressions, economic development, public policy and governance, and inclusive.
Ecology plays a vital role in improving the lakes and our surrounding ecosystem. It not only improves the water quality and supports biodiversity, but also makes the lake resilient to climate change. Biodiversity restoration is the key to preserving the ecological integrity of the lakes, the cultural value, and also for long-term sustainability.
Water has shaped our cities, but do we truly respect it? This year at ADoBE 2025, we reimagine Hyderabad lakes, not just as scenic spots, but rather as engines that drive local economy, sustainable future, and community spaces. Do join us in designing the change. One of the themes for this lake design is economic and development, which is led by none other than Dr. Bibhu Nayak, who is Associate Professor at TIS Hyderabad. Looking forward to you joining the team at ADoBE 2025.
Inclusive design ensures waterfronts are safe, accessible, and welcoming for all. At ADoBE '25, we ensure that all communities are seen, heard, and included. So I welcome you all to ADoBE '25.
We'll be looking into urban governance too. Basically, who takes care of these lakes, how decisions are made, and how we can involve in this process. Hyderabad has some amazing lakes, but they face some serious issues. Let's come together in ADoBE 2025 and have some real workable solutions.
Lakefront development in India offers a valuable opportunity to integrate cultural, artistic, and heritage-based interventions that celebrate local identity and enrich public spaces. In ADoBE 2025, Reimagining the Waterfronts, Ms. Kamalika Bose from Heritage Synergies India will be guiding the students to achieve outcomes such as community-driven narratives, artistic collaborations, and context-sensitive design approaches.
For ADoBE 2025, we identify 5 lakes in Hyderabad, which are Ibrahim Cheru, Niralan Tank, Foxsagar Lake, Kapra Lake, and Aminpur Lake. We welcome you all for ADoBE 2025.